Hi, I'm Tina. Yes, that's me. Welcome to my 6-month travel diary. This week, I'm in South Korea. I'm going to Seoul, the capital. My first day exploring, I visited some palaces. This one was free to visit. The traditional buildings and the beautiful gardens are definitely worth a visit. Within the grounds, there is a National Museum of Modern and Contemporary Art. The exhibitions here showcase a lot of textile art. It was pretty cool to see the changing of the royal guards. On my way to the next palace, I walked through the square. There's two big statues. The first one is a war hero and his quotes. And the second one, which is gold, is of the king. At this palace, a lot of people dress up. If you dress up in a traditional hanbok, then admission is free, but today I was lucky and could get in wearing this. To be honest, I felt a bit out of place because I was dressed like this and everyone else looks so beautiful. I did consider dressing up, but then it kind of looked like a lot of effort. There was a lot more of tourists at this palace than the last one. The place I visited the most was Myeongdong Street. My Korean pronunciation is the worst, so I am so sorry. I paid $9 to be drawn, and I think it looks like me. This street had everything: shopping, food, people, and the vibe was great. The only thing that they didn't have is rubbish bins. I was endlessly trying to find a rubbish bin. The street food here is awesome, and there's so much variety. The next day, I caught a train and went to Hongdae. There's a shop where you can DIY and custom design. You can choose bags, wallets, hats, and then you can choose little tags or embroidery and custom design them. My little purse cost about $15. I really like Hongdae, especially the live performances.
Oh, we're gonna using this book to finding your personal color.
Yep.
Okay. Warm tone and cool tone, we can divide 4 different of the seasons. Warm tone has a spring and autumn. Cool tone has a summer and winter.
Okay.
I'm gonna find your first best tone in here, and your second best tone, and your worst tone in here today.
Yeah, okay. Fantastic.
So Tina, your lips color is more close to the, oh, I could see the more cool tone side, like cool number 2 and 3. Your skin color, it's more close to the, in the middle of your skin, like this cheek part is more close to the cool tone, like cool number 2 and 1 around in here. And also like your forehead or like your this jawline, it's like a little more close to the warm number 2. Yeah, because of the tan. So I will check the cool number 1 and 2 and warm number 2 also. And you can see your eyes. Your eyes color is a pretty brown color. Like warm number 3 color is most closest with your eyes colors. The root side, okay, is more close to the warm tone also. Like warm number 2, that color is most closest with your natural hair. Okay, look, so I'm gonna pick the color, which colors make your skin tone is more even.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, put it down please. 1, 2, 3, put it up please. So actually you're really neutral. You can go into the either warm tone or cool tone.
See, I never know. Yeah, neutral.
Yeah, even for me it's a pretty hard case.
Yeah,
for your case,
okay.
Yeah, so in here.
So yes, I got my colour analysis done. The purpose of doing this is to find what colours would complement my skin tone or enhance my features. Firstly, we had to find my undertone.
1, 2, 3. Yeah. What do you think? Which color is more
I think
better
this
for
one
you?
makes me look tired.
Yeah, because that color is make your dark circle line is going more bluish.
Yeah.
So you can attention your dark circle color first, and then you can see another color on your face. But with your warm tone colors, you can attention your skin even.
It was so interesting to see what colours made me look tired, washed out, or nice and bright.
You're the warm tone, so that means there's no in your worst tone in here. Your worst tone is in the cool tone. You can using any of these colors in here, but I'm gonna pick your first best tone colors.
We found that I was a warm undertone, so now it was time to find my season. So there are 4 seasons. Your cool tones are winter and summer, and your warm tones are spring and autumn. Each of the seasons have another 3 subdivisions. Winter has dark, true and bright. Spring has bright, true and light. Summer has light, true and soft. And autumn has soft, true and dark.
First best tone, light spring. Second best tone, neat autumn color. Okay, so also that means black color is not the best choice for you.
I wear a lot of black. Okay.
Yeah, so especially you are really good with the like white base or like this kind of the soft color. So I don't recommend black colors for you, especially for the all black is too much for you.
Okay.
If you want, and actually you're really good with the any white colors
Ah,
because your tone is a light tone. Light tone people are really good with the any white colors.
So funny, I never wear white.
Oh really?
I always wear black.
You're really good with the white color, white or gray. So you are the light tone. This is the first best tone, and also you can go into the muted tone too. Like this kind of the soft color is really good for you, and also you should avoid to the deep tone.
Okay.
And also I don't recommend too much bright tone too. Yeah, you're more good with like soft color.
So it was very surprising to find out that black is too harsh on my skin tone, and then that I should wear light and muted colours. She said that I could wear the darker colours, but I need makeup. I'm so glad that I did this personal colour and I really enjoyed my experience. The lady here was so nice and so knowledgeable. After finding my personal colour, I opted to get my makeup done. It is now so easy to find out what type of foundation colour that I should wear. She also went through what type of placements I should put for my blush and colours that would suit my face shape and skin tone. The next day, I decided to get a hair transformation. I told the stylist to do whatever they wanted, and the result was kind of boring. I just got a haircut. After that, I went to the Seoul Tower. It's so cute with all the love locks along the fence. And the view is awesome. You can basically see all of Seoul. That night, I went to the Han River to watch the light drone show. Apparently, there's 1,000 drones that make formations in the sky to make these big displays. I didn't realise where it was until it started, so I had to walk down the river to get a better view. It was so cool, but it lasted maybe 15 minutes and there was a lot of people. Leaving was interesting. Exploring the city was so nice, especially when I had great weather. It was a cooler and the days were sunny. The parks were so well maintained and everyone here is out and about. I've found that people in South Korea do not like the sun. Well, they avoid it and stay in the shade all the time. Itaewon is a place that you need to go out at night. There are so many cool bars and places to eat and drink. The night started off with a spicy show, which led to some more dancing and a lot of fun. Anyways, thank you for watching. Next week, I go to Busan. Bye!